This is the exterior review of the Civic Type R. You see, this has the Type R package. That's why it's called Type R. So you see the Honda logo with the red background. You see in the front, you have big and huge and low and long bumper with plenty of grills. Glossy, and some of them are fake, and the line that's worth noting is there. And let's see if this vent over there is real. Oh, is it real? Yeah, it's real, but we need to see if it goes through the wheel well. And then you see the headlight. Whoa, it's like very similar to the Accord we have right now. And there's the front sensor and the fog lamp. Whoa, this car is awesome. And it has the hood vent. It looks real. And the wheel looks like 17-inch wheel, and there's the turn signal and disc brake, ventilated Brembo disc brake. The wheel has the red lining, and I'm not sure if this vent is real. The turn signal light is visible in the side mirror. And it has keyless entry. Why not? And it has nice Type R side skirt until there. So the front brakes are huge ventilated disc brakes, and the back are just normal ones. Yep, they are not Brembo. It's not Brembo. Let's see the back. Ooh, the back looks amazing. It has 3 exhaust pipes, and also we find the parking sensor. Look at this huge wing. There's the shark fin antenna and many things. Third brake light. Oh, let me see the under. That's how it looks like, guys. And there's a backup camera. So in other dealerships, the Type R is off limits. They are usually like that. So maybe in the future, guys. And there's a rear windshield wiper. That's so cool. Let's see. There are 2 units available here.
I hope you learned from the video. If you did, please click the like and subscribe buttons to grow the channel together. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.